Hi, I'm Mark Robinette. I'm the Senior Design Engineer for Napoleon Heating and Cooling. I have over 20 years experience in the industry and I'd like to explain to you today why this is the best furnace on the market. The 9600 series is the smallest and one of the most efficient furnaces on the market. With its two-stage design, it provides comfort to your home. And with its whisper quiet blower, you won't even know it's there. It's Energy Star rated, which qualifies for federal rebates and features an ECM motor that saves you up to 80% on your electricity bill compared to a single-speed motor. Now I would like to show you what sets the Napoleon 9600 series furnace apart from the competition. First, a completely sealed and insulated cabinet, which isolates any noise from the surrounding area. A patented SureView burner system window that allows a unique view of the flames in operation, a reassuring feature and a first in the industry. The variable speed ECM motor ramps up and down very slowly for ultimate comfort, so you don't get a sudden rush of air on initial startup. Because the ECM motor uses very little electricity, you can run the fan constantly throughout the entire year. This will circulate the air and eliminating hot and cold spots to give you ideal comfort. Patented heat exchanger is the heart of the system. It features a tubular 3-pass primary heat exchanger that ensures reliability and efficiency with a vortex turbulator that supercharges the heated gases for maximum efficiency. The forced air totally surrounds the heat exchanger encased in a sealed and insulated cabinet, extracting the maximum amount of heat available. The flue gases will come through and be disrupted by this turbulator that it makes the flue gases go around and mixes up the flue gases, and basically this gives us more efficiency on the furnace. The secondary heat exchanger is made from commercial grade stainless steel for years of trouble-free use, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. The clear condensate cover coming from the secondary heat exchanger allows you to see the water condensation being extracted from the flue gases. The silicone nitrate igniter ensures trouble-free startups and saves fuel over old, inefficient standing pilots. The Ideal Comfort two-stage control system is the brain of the furnace. It controls the entire operation to ensure maximum efficiency and reliability. The totally sealed cabinet has thermal and acoustic insulation for superior sound suppression and whisper quiet operation. Each piece of the heavy gauge steel cabinet is individually powder coated in the manufacturing process for corrosion resistance with no sharp edges. Most furnaces are sized according to their largest input. So a two-stage furnace will give you more comfort. It'll run longer, it's more efficient on the low stage, and it'll also give you the ability to move a lot more air around the house and make sure all the air is heated evenly, and it really gives you comfort. To recap, up to 96% efficient with models from 45 to 120,000 BTUs. The President's limited lifetime warranty on the patented heat exchanger. Energy Star rated for federal rebates. The patented SureView burner system window. An ECM blower saving up to 80% on your electricity bill. A whisper quiet blower system. You can rest assured Napoleon's 9600 ultra-high efficient furnaces will give you years of trouble-free use, whisper quiet operation, and save you money on your heating and electrical bills. Your peace of mind is guaranteed with Napoleon. Thanks for watching.